Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cora and today we're going to be doing a little bit different of a video. I'm going to be doing a little mini Wish haul try-on video for you guys. I know I'm normally a DIY channel and I do have another DIY Wish haul coming for you guys where I'm going to be doing some nails using new poly gel because I just threw up an acrylic tutorial for you guys, but I wanted to do it in the gel also, and I wanted to do a coffin and stiletto styles for you. So that video is coming soon, just waiting on a couple more of the products that I ordered from Wish, but I already got in all of the clothes and items that I had ordered for that particular one, so I thought I'd show you guys a little expectation versus reality from Wish. I'm also a cheapo and I don't like to spend a lot of money on myself. I have mom guilt, and so wherever I can spend money, I usually spend it on the home or the kids. So spending a little bit of money on myself was hard, but I'm not quite disappointed with what I got, and I didn't spend too much money, so there's that. Now for you guys, I did pick out a couple of shoes. I have 3 different pairs of shoes because they would look great for my vacation. And then I also picked out 2 type of sweater type covers because they were my favorite color, and I just wanted a little something to kind of cover up and be comfortable when I wanted a quick dress up and go kind of outfit. And then I also picked out 1 pair of like athleisure type athletic pants, and that's it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump on into the try-on portion of this haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do like any of them, leave me a thumbs up and comment down below on what your favorite outfit or pair of shoes are or whatever. And please forgive my appearance right now. I know my hair and makeup and everything is quite a mess, but I am a little sunburnt if you can't see because we had a vacation this week, but I didn't want to skip out on uploading a video for you, so here you guys go. And also a great big thank you for 3,000 subscribers, which we hit this past week. And I know it may not seem like a lot to some of you guys, but for me, I'm extremely grateful. I've had my channel going for a few years now, and it hasn't been as consistent as it has been in the past several months, but I think you guys are kind of noticing that I'm working a lot harder, and because of that, you guys are subscribing, and I'm grateful. So I'm going to continue working hard for you guys. So we have new goals, and that is going to be 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But again, subscribers don't really matter because I really am going to keep throwing these videos up anyways because it's just what I enjoy to do. If there's something that I find that I can do using easy products at home, of course I want to share it with you guys. So that's what this channel is about, and that's what I'm going to do. And anyways, talking too much, without further ado, let's jump on in to the try-on.
Alright guys, so first up we have the Fashion Women's Sexy V-neck oversized baggy jumper knitted bottoming sweater. And I got it in a size large because I did want a little bit of a oversized fit to it, and I got it in the dark green version. So I will say it is cute. The color is pretty spot on. I know the lighting is a little off here. It does get better later. Sorry about that. And it's pretty comfy. It's a little itchy at first. I am going to wash it, obviously, and put some softener to it because it has, you know, just that stiffy feel to it. So it does need to get softened up and washed. And it really goes for anything that you buy online. I recommend washing it before you put it on. All right, so next we have the Summer Women's Fashion Flip-Flop Shoes Casual Style Flat Open Toe Sandals Lady Comfortable Beach Shoes Slipper. Now, it is very comfortable. I do have 2 different sized feet because of an injury I had on my ankle where I had surgery and the bone stopped growing, yada yada yada. Long story short, anyway, the fit is pretty spot on. I do go larger just because one foot is a little bit bigger than the other, but I love these types of sandals. I don't like the 2 strapped over like Birkenstock style, but I like the one that kind of goes up the toe like this. So I really prefer this style of a sandal. It is super comfy and the color was really spot on. Now, next up, we have the Women's Fashion Solid Color Bandage Ankle Open Toe Fish Mouth Platform Shoes Female Summer Fashion Casual Wedge High Heel Shoes Women. If they didn't say women enough in that one, well, they got it this time. Anywho, they're pretty diverse. I like the way that you can tie the little straps around the ankle in different ways. You can do it to the back, to the side, wrap it around once, tie it up, however you really want to do it. They are very comfortable. This is like a velvety, suede type fabric, and they're actually really easy to walk in, which is a bonus because I'm super clumsy. Now I'm going to try these shoes on in different outfits, and I'm kind of just going to mix and match all the different outfits with just a different basic pair of jeans and a white tee. So you'll get to see them in various ways, but I really like them. They will be really cute for a date night, just for a summer look, even going car line, picking up groceries, whatever. So I dig it. It's a plus for me. Next piece of clothing. It's going to be another one of those sweaters, like an oversized cardigan, but I'm a little, I don't know, on the fence about this one. You guys let me know what you think. It is the Autumn and Winter New Bat Sleeve Large Size Long Knit Cardigan Sweater Women's Jacket. I had to figure out which way it goes on first. And then once you get your hand through the little bat sleeve type things, you have these little kind of flaps that go down on the front. And if you don't style it just right, they get lopsided or uneven. Like you have to make sure you're constantly keeping it kind of straight. Like if I moved it or kind of tried to wrap it around or whatever and I looked back, it was like lopsided and uneven. So I kind of wish there was a little bit more to it, but the color was pretty spot on. It was really comfortable. Again, I would just wash this and soften it up a bit, and it was pretty cozy, so it's a keeper. Next item is another pair of shoes, and I really wanted just a variety of different color options and wedge type shoes, so I went with the women high heel espadrilles adjustable ankle strap buckle open toe wedge summer sandals plus size 34 to 43. Don't know what that has to do with anything, but I do have wide feet, so I thought I want plus size. Let me just give this a try. Well, I guess maybe that's what it means. Now, I found these to be super comfortable, super cute, just basic nude colored platform shoes that you can pretty much throw on with any outfit, any pair of jeans, any lopsided cardigan, any sweater, shirt, whatever have you, even a little summer dress, and this would look super cute. I even think this would look totally cute in one of those jumper style outfits for the summertime. I think this is super cute. And then just to show you guys the variety again, I'm gonna switch the shoes out and show you guys how I would probably dress this for car line or mom duty. You know what I'm saying? Then there's the last outfit. This was the only bust of the outfit, but they're still comfy, so I'll probably keep them just for fun. Anyway, this is the new sexy women's fashion slim fit striped pants, yoga running pants, workout legging, fitness gym trousers outdoor. Now, they are very sheer. You can see my tattoo straight through the white part on these pants. They are very thin. You can see any kind of panty line. They are very bunchy up towards the crotch area, but there is some room to move. They feel like bathing suit type material. They don't look like I thought they would in the picture, I guess, but they're comfortable. So you can't beat a good comfy pair of shorts, you know?
Well guys, that's it for the try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you liked any of the outfits or you had some favorites, go ahead and let me know down below, and look forward to our next videos. We have a couple coming your way. I am working on renovating my son's bedroom and giving him a big boy makeover, and then we're finishing up our master bedroom, so part 3 of that video will be coming soon because I'm redoing our tables and nightstands and stuff, and then I'm also going to be doing some DIY wall decor for you guys. And then lastly, we have a secret project that we're working on that is going to be taking up a lot of my time this month, but I'll give you guys some sneak peeks maybe at the end of one of my videos this month. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.